Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is Shia. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. So if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. Now coming back to the topic, welcome back to our March edition of Monthly Muse series, where I share all the products that I use throughout the month that really helped me, because I don't believe in gatekeeping here. Let's start the video. The very first product that I want to talk about that I was obsessed with is matcha. You know, all over my Pinterest, Instagram, every other girly is obsessed with it. I got this matcha powder from Amazon. This is matcha green tea culinary grade, 100% authentic Japanese matcha tea. I actually ordered the smaller size because I was like, let me try it first and then I'll invest on a bigger one. I have to say this because my taste buds are not that familiar with the matcha, right? So initially it was a little hard for me to get adjusted in those, like, I find my comfort in that. Let me show you how this is look from the inside. It has this beautiful matcha green color. Now I know why every other girly is obsessed with the color as well. Throughout the month, whenever I felt like I need coffee in my system, I always turn towards this, and this absolutely satisfies my craving. If you guys are following me for quite a long time, then you guys know, right, that I got my nail extension done few months back, like I guess in January, and I freaking love every single moment of that. Like, I loved talking with my hands, like doing all of this, but now they're off, and I also realized that I have commitment issues. I was like, let's turn towards something more reusable. So I got my hands on few press-ons. मैंने सवाना से order किए थे 2 nail extension like press-ons, and I loved it. This was actually the first pair of nail extension that I got from Savannah. This is, I know, a little over the board, like it is very dramatic, red, and a lot is happening in that. इसका एकदम proper fitting है मेरे nails के according. You know guys, I was so impressed by this Savannah nail press-ons that I went ahead and got 3 of them also. Another one that I got is kind of like very seashell and sea vibe. So if you guys think getting nail extension done from a particular salon is way overpriced and way overhyped, then do give nail extension a shot. The next product that I want to talk about is eyeshadow palette. You know, when I started my content creation journey, I didn't know any single thing about makeup. And the first thing that I did when it comes to makeup, I went on Amazon and searched for eyeshadow palette, and जो भी मुझे सबसे कम प्राइस में ज्यादा आई शेडो पैलेट मिल सकता था, मैंने वो ऑर्डर कर लिया. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस कलर पैलेट बाय कलर बोर्ड. You can literally name any shade and this palette has each and every one. I totally agree with you all that मुझे किसी और मेकअप ब्रांड में इससे भी ज्यादा कलर ऑप्शन मिल सकते थे, बट they will be in a much higher price range, and as of now I did not like intend to invest these much amount in just an eyeshadow palette. This is the one product that I was using over the years, and I again repurchased it. You know, अभी इंदौर में इतनी गर्मी आ गई है that you cannot even step outside without a good sunscreen and covering your face with the whole scarf. As much as I hate to say this, but yes, summers are here, and the most important thing when it comes to summer is a sunscreen. And there is one brand that I love when it comes to sunscreen is Wishcare. This is Wishcare Vitamin C Pure Glow Milk Sunscreen Ultra Light. It has SPF 50, PA+++ broad spectrum. This, I have to say, is truly lightweight, has milky texture. So if you are someone like me who do not want anything to feel very, you know, heavy on your skin, like आप सिर्फ एक sunscreen लगा रहे हो, आपके face इतना heavy हो जाए, I don't want that kind of skincare. You can definitely give this one a shot. The next product that I want to talk about is related to body care. Now, in my last monthly meal series, I have talked about this by Bath and Body Works Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. I have to say this is a very pricey option when it comes to body lotion, and I was looking for cheaper alternative but effective one, and then I was like, let me trust on my favorite brand when it comes to body care again, and do give this one a shot. This is Plum Body Loving Lily Miss Sunshine Body Lotion. It has SPF 35, PA+++. This was sitting on my wish list for quite a long, and I was like, whenever summer will start, I will buy this, because look at the packaging. It screams summer, like this butter yellow color. And when it comes to the smell of it, I have to say it has a very fruity, again, pineapple sort of smell. It sure has some fruity smell as well. Yeah, applying this on your body regularly makes me feel that summer is coming, but in a good way. As you all know, I'm in my good hair care journey. So whatever product, whatever shampoo, whatever conditioner, whatever hair oil I used to use in my school days, I'm just going back to those. I can say I am going back to my roots when it comes to hair care. And the two products that I recently invested on are these two products. First is this Dove Intense Repair Bioprotein Care Shampoo. Love the smell of it, love everything about this. And another one is Dove 1 Minute Conditioner Intense Repair Bioprotein Care Conditioner. These two works as like magic in my hair. And no, I'm not saying कि do invest on a shampoo and a separate conditioner. अगर आप इसका सिर्फ shampoo भी use करते हो, personally speaking, it works super effectively. Now that we already are on topic of hair care, there is one more product that I invested this month. That is L'Oreal Paris repairing serum. In my school days, I really used to use this one after my hair wash, and they look absolutely fine to me. Last hair wash में मैंने अपना shampoo conditioner and इसे use किया था just to see जब मैं ये वीडियो बनाने वाली रहूंगी मंथली म्यूज उस टाइम पे मेरे बाल कैसे लगेंगे. एंड यू ऑल कैन सी राइट दैट दिस इज माई third day after the hair wash and they look like pretty fine. I can clearly feel it that my hair feels super nourished. जो मेरे hairs पहले थे and comparatively now, they both are like different phases. Now the next product that I want to talk about is related to lips. I feel like when it comes to lipstick, I have two options, but those two are absolutely pole apart of each other. Either I will go with glossy, like super nude but glossy one, or I want my lipstick to be super dramatic. So the first option that I want to talk about is related to lip glosses. Now I have two lip glosses that I absolutely swear by. That is by Sugar Pop. First is this clear gloss, which is no more a clear gloss. It is their high shine lip gloss. I have to say it does not feel super thick on your lips, but at the same time it has a very like sweet and candy sort of smell. And in case अगर ये lip gloss किसी भी वजह से आपके lips से चला जाता है, it leaves a very hydrated and moisturized lip. And the another lip gloss that I want to talk about is this one. Again by Sugar Pop, but is a slightly brown one. There are also some days when I am super lazy. I just outline my lips and then go ahead with this. But on the contrary, if I want to have a dramatic lip moment, I believe in these two lip combo. This is a lip liner by Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade Burgundy 09. And this is the lipstick by Maybelline New York. It is in the shade 657. I don't know why, but not many people are talking about this Swiss Beauty के lip liner because they are super affordable. It works wonders. Like I use it since the beginning of my makeup journey, right? And इसका सिर्फ one swipe application है. Can you all see? Glides super well on your skin. And when it comes to smudging and a little bit of आपको थोड़ा सा rub करना है, it blends perfectly. This lipstick I got it on sale from Nykaa and ये मुझे इतने कम प्राइस में मिला था. I was like, it is a deal. This is how it looks on my skin. Can you all see? Most of the time whenever I'm using any brown lip shade, this is always this one. I love the fact कि ये जो lip liner है, this is 2 shade darker than this lipstick. So जब ये blend होता है ना, इसका transition जो आता है आपके lips पे, perfect. When it comes to accessory, I think this month I did not invest a lot on accessory. Like I did manage to get few of them. And the one product that I want to mention in this monthly muse series are these hair ties. Many small businesses and even niche care is selling these cuffs and they are a little expensive, but I got these two from Mr. DIY and comparatively cheaper prices and the quality is pretty good. Whenever I'm having bad hair day, I just do a pony and then छोटा सा balloon and then उसके बाद थोड़ा सा एक rubber band, then फिर balloon, then एक rubber band, and this 2 rubber band will be perfect for those kind of like hairstyles. If you are like me who is very noob when it comes to hairstyle, do give this like rubber band a shot. Again, this month when it comes to clothing, I did not invested quite a lot, but I invest on a good jeans. Like जो भी jeans आप at least मुझे पहने हुए देखते हो, they are either not my size anymore because I have put on some weight, either they are my sisters. What is this? I call myself fashion and makeup content creator और मेरे पास एक अच्छी jeans नहीं है. Went on like with off duty, and clearly they did a heck of a job when it comes to jeans. Like they truly understand a woman's body. And you'll see, I've already used and abused it. There is not a single day after I got like the product got delivered कि मैंने एक दिन भी इसे पहना नहीं. I wanted a jeans in this color and yeah, this is how it looks. जब मैंने इसे first time एक short कुर्ती के साथ पहना हुआ था, I still remember that I jumped out of excitement. I run towards my sister and I'm like, oh my god, just look at the fit of this. And she was like, ki, I have never seen you this happy just because of a jeans. That was everything related to body care, skincare, accessory and clothing. Now it comes to one of my favorite part, that is entertainment. First is music. Again, I'm still not over my Karan Aujla phase. He has quite a lot of songs and every day I come across with a song that is just blew my mind and I'm like, how a person can write these lyrics and write something like this, right? And the Netflix series or movie that I watched recently is right now I'm watching Good Doctor on Netflix, that is related to doctors like neurosurgeons, and the main character of the series is autistic by birth, and it's very engaging watching him like dealing with all these crabs that is happening in the world. And there are two movies that I recently watched. First is Anyone But You. I am a hardcore romantic person. Love movies with a combo like romantic, good endings and realistic, right? And Anyone But You is exactly like that. There's a lot of happening, a lot of misunderstanding, but still you manage to find love. So these are few options that I watched this month and I like freaking love it. This is everything related to our monthly muse series. I hope you all are enjoying this series where I share my very raw and honest opinion about products. Having said that, I am signing off, but before that, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part, share this video with your friends and family, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. We are so close of hitting 1,000 subscriber and it will be super fun. So cheers to growing more, learning more and being you. Bye.